This is how you turn strength into solutions, and how you turn solutions into a foundation that lasts. This is the new Volvo FMX. Created for the harshest conditions, when failure is not an option. It always delivers, on and off the road. Robust and comfortable, it's built around the driver. Setting new standards in safety and visibility, we help the driver maintain focus at all times, achieving a new level of productivity. Inspired by the world around it, this is our most rugged truck yet. A new solution in a challenging world. A new way to build tomorrow.